Hello and welcome back to Casey's Place. We're going to talk about the short U sound. The short U sound is as in much ado about nothing. Cup. Let's have a cup of coffee and talk about this. Rug. I put a rug on the floor. Shut. Don't forget to shut the door when you go out. Luck. With a lot of hard work and a little bit of luck, you will improve your English pronunciation. Puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Under. If you have lost your homework, be sure to look under your desk. Muffin. A muffin is a type of cake or bread that we love to eat in America. Peanut butter. Speaking of peanut butter, I'm getting hungry after doing all of these videos. I'm going to have a little snack with some peanut butter and toast. Keep practicing the pronunciation of all of these words, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and have a great day.